guys! Have you guys seen this Chilean sea bass from Costco? In this video, I will show you how to cook this beautiful fish with herb garlic rub. It's so easy and delicious. 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon Italian seasoning, half teaspoon dried parsley, 1 tablespoon minced garlic, 1 teaspoon kosher salt, half teaspoon black pepper. Stir all the ingredients around and the rub is done. Now let's prepare the fish. In this bag, there are 4 to 5 individually packed Chilean sea bass fillet. You'll see some of the fillets are about 1 inch thick like this one. And the others are about 1 inch thick like those ones. Thicker fillets need longer cooking time, so we're gonna place them in the middle of a baking pan later. Let's open them up and dry each fillet. Pat the top down, flip the fish, pat the top again, and make sure you dry every side of a fillet. Okay, that looks good. When you place the fish in the baking pan, make sure the thicker piece gets the middle place. Or use 2 baking pans, one for thicker fillets and another one for thinner ones. We need a 1/3 cup of white wine vinegar. Pour white wine vinegar on top of each fillet. Make sure each fillet gets a nice shower of white wine vinegar. Oh, smells so good. Okay, lastly, spread thin, even layer of herb garlic rub on top of each fillet. Beautiful. Preheat your oven at 450. Place the baking pan in the middle of the oven and bake for 18 minutes. If you are using 2 pans, take the thinner ones out around 15 to 16 minutes. Cut a lemon while the fish is in the oven, and when your oven beeps, take your fish out. And look at those, aren't they beautiful? Oh, let's get one out and squeeze some lemon juice on top. The fish is silky and smooth, and the flavor from the herb garlic rub is absolutely delicious. Thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video.